Good morning, Sister Carolina, Teacher Sabina. My name's Sharon. I will present my project about my family's fruits. Like my father, like watermelon. Like mother, like apple. My sister like orange. My brother like banana. And like mango. Thank you for your attention. This is Carolina, Teacher Sabina.